Are you looking for ways to naturally support your kidney health? Did you know that your kidneys are powerful detox machines, but even they need a little care? What if I told you that some of the most effective kidney repair tools can be found right in your kitchen? Today, we are diving into the top 10 natural remedies that could help repair your kidneys. Before we begin, it is important to understand that these remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider for any health concerns. Our kidneys are like unsung heroes, quietly working behind the scenes to keep us clean and balanced. But sometimes they need a little help. And remember, if you have trouble with kidney repairing, let us know in the comments after watching the whole video. If your kidneys are okay, tell us what you like to eat. Now, let's get to it. Understanding kidney health. Kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. They balance the body's fluids, ensuring that we have the right amount of water in our system. They remove waste products and toxins from the blood, which are then expelled through urine. They activate a form of vitamin D that helps the body absorb calcium, essential for bone strength and muscle function. They release a hormone that directs the production of red blood cells. Tips for kidney health. Regular exercise can lower the risk of chronic kidney disease. High blood sugar can overwork the kidneys, so managing it is crucial, especially for diabetics. High blood pressure can cause kidney damage, so keeping it in check is important. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low in salt can help prevent kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. Proper hydration helps the kidneys clear sodium and toxins from the body. Remember, early detection and lifestyle changes can make a significant difference in kidney health. Now, dive into the top 10 remedies that could help repair your kidneys. Remedy 1. Cauliflower. Have you ever looked at a cauliflower and wondered about its powers? Yes, you heard that right, powers. Cauliflower is more than just a side dish. It is a superfood that's been making waves in the health community. Packed with essential nutrients, it is a natural ally for anyone looking to support their kidney function. But how exactly does it help? Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that's low in potassium, but high in vitamins C and K fiber, and contains compounds that may aid in kidney repair. It's a kidney-friendly alternative to higher potassium vegetables, which is crucial for those managing kidney health. If you are looking to give your kidneys a helping hand, incorporating cauliflower into your diet could be a step in the right direction. Whether it is steamed, roasted, or again mashed, this vegetable can be a delicious addition to any meal. Cauliflower might just be the unsung hero in your kitchen, waiting to be a part of your journey towards better health. Remedy 2. Blueberries. Imagine a natural remedy so potent yet so delicious that you could eat it every day. Enter blueberries, the small, mighty fruits that pack a punch for kidney repair. Blueberries are celebrated for their high antioxidant content, particularly vitamin C and fiber, which are essential for overall health. But did you know they are also a kidney-friendly superfood? These berries are low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, making them an excellent choice for those focusing on kidney health. Adding blueberries to your diet is simple and delicious, whether you sprinkle them on your cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or again, enjoy them as a snack. These berries can contribute to your kidneys' well-being. As we wrap up, remember the power of simple, natural foods in supporting our health. If you are facing challenges with kidney repair, share your experiences in the comments after watching the entire video. And if you are fortunate to have healthy kidneys, we had love to hear about your favorite healthy treats. Are blueberries on your list? Remedy 3. Red grapes. What if the secret to kidney health was hidden in plain sight, nestled in your fruit bowl? That is right. We are talking about red grapes, nature's sweet nuggets of wellness. Red grapes are not just a delicious snack, they are also a powerhouse of health benefits, especially when it comes to kidney repair. Red grapes are rich in antioxidants, including polyphenol, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in the kidneys. They are also low in potassium, which is essential for those managing kidney health, making them an ideal choice for a kidney repair diet. It is easy to add red grapes to your diet. They are perfect as a snack, in salads, Oregon, even frozen as a cool treat. Their natural sweetness and kidney-supporting properties make them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Remember that natural remedies like red grapes can be a delicious part of your journey to better kidney health. Red grapes might just be the tasty ally your kidneys need. Remedy for egg whites. What if the key to supporting your kidney health was sitting in your refrigerator right now? We are not talking about expensive supplements or hard-to-find superfoods. We are talking about egg whites, a humble kitchen staple with extraordinary benefits for kidney repair. Egg whites are a wonder of nature. They are a pure source of high-quality protein with minimal phosphorus, making them ideal for those managing kidney health. But that is not all. They are also low in potassium and sodium, which is crucial for a kidney-friendly diet. Why are egg whites recommended for kidney repair? It is all about the protein. High-quality protein helps meet your body's needs without overburdening your kidneys with excessive phosphorus, commonly found in whole eggs and other protein sources. Egg whites are incredibly versatile. You can scramble them, make an omelet, or even use them in baking. They blend seamlessly into your diet, providing the protein you need without the elements that challenge kidney health. Egg whites might just be the easy, natural remedy you've been looking for. Remedy 5 Garlic. What if the key to unlocking kidney health was hidden in the aroma of your kitchen? Garlic, a culinary favorite, may just be the unsung hero in the quest for kidney repair. Garlic is not just for warding off vampires, it is also for supporting your kidneys. Garlic is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, such as allicin, which may help in treating conditions like chronic kidney disease. Its potential diuretic properties signal the kidneys to remove excess toxins, aiding in overall kidney health. Whether you prefer it raw, roasted, or as a supplement, garlic can easily find its way into your meals, offering both flavor and kidney repair benefits. Garlic might just be the flavorful guardian your kidneys need. Remedy 6 Olive oil in the quest for kidney health. Could the answer lie in a bottle of golden elixir? We are talking about olive oil not just for its flavor, but for its potential healing properties. For centuries, olive oil has been celebrated for its myriad of health benefits. But did you know that it might also be a potent ally for your kidneys? Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil is thought to support kidney health by reducing inflammation and improving lipid profiles. While the idea of olive oil as a lubricant for kidney stones is a myth, there's emerging evidence that its components, particularly oleic acid and polyphenols, may have beneficial effects on kidney health. These compounds are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which could be crucial in kidney repair processes. It is easy to drizzle a bit of this healthful oil into your diet. Whether you are dressing a salad or cooking your favorite dish, olive oil can be a delicious part of a kidney-friendly diet. Natural remedies like olive oil can be a flavorful addition to your journey towards better kidney health. Remedy 7 Cabbage. Imagine a common vegetable that could be your ally in maintaining kidney health. What if I told you that this leafy green is not only a staple on your plate, but also a hidden gem for your kidneys? Cabbage, a humble vegetable often found in salads, is packed with more than just flavor. It is high in vitamins K and C, fiber, and contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These nutrients can help manage blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of kidney and liver damage. Additionally, cabbage is low in potassium, which is important for people with kidney disease as they often need to manage their potassium intake. Eating cabbage is easy and beneficial. Whether you prefer it raw, steamed, Oregon fermented, there is a cabbage dish for everyone. By making cabbage a regular part of your diet, you are not only enjoying a tasty vegetable, but also taking a step towards better kidney health. If you are inspired by the potential of cabbage for kidney repair, hit the like button and share this video. Remember, your journey to better health starts with simple, informed choices. Let's make those choices together. Remedy 8 apples. Did you know that an apple a day might keep not just the doctor, but also kidney problems away? Let's peel back the layers of the apple's hidden powers. From its fibrous flesh to its antioxidant-rich skin, apples are a natural boon for kidney repair. Apples are nature's sweet package of health, offering a bounty of benefits for our kidneys. Rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber, apples help manage cholesterol and glucose levels, crucial for kidney health. Every crunch of an apple delivers vital nutrients. They are a good source of vitamin C and other antioxidants, which combat the oxidative stress that can harm kidneys. Integrating apples into your diet can be a delicious journey. Whether you prefer them fresh, baked, Oregon stewed, they are a versatile ally in your quest for kidney health. Apples are more than just a tasty snack. They are a powerful tool in maintaining and repairing kidney health. Embrace the apple's potential and take a bite towards a healthier future. Remedy 9 fish deep in the blue sea. There is a secret to longevity and health that's been swimming under the radar. Fish is not just food, it is medicine. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fish is a superfood that can help reduce inflammation and protect against kidney disease. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish are the unsung heroes of kidney repair. These powerful compounds help lower blood pressure, a common cause of kidney stress, and aid in overall cardiovascular health. Eating fish can be a delight for the taste buds and a boon for the kidneys. Whether grilled, baked, Oregon poached, including fish in your diet can be a simple step toward better kidney function. Fish are more than just inhabitants of the sea. They could be the guardians of our kidney health. By making fish a regular part of our diet, we are not just enjoying a meal, we are participating in a natural form of healing. Remedy 10 green tea. Unveil the secret in your cup. Discover how green tea can be the gentle guardian of your kidneys. Green tea, a soothing remedy, has been cherished for centuries, but beyond its calming effects, it harbors potent compounds that may help in kidney repair. With antioxidants like flavonoid, green tea fights the free radicals that threaten kidney cells. An 8-ozone cup of green tea is more than a refreshing drink. It is a blend of life-enhancing nutrients. It is low in caffeine and rich in polyphenols, which may benefit kidney health by reducing inflammation and combating diseases. Antioxidants are the warriors in the battle for kidney health, and green tea is their fortress. Embracing green tea is as simple as it is beneficial. Whether you prefer it hot or iced, incorporating this beverage into your daily routine can be a step towards supporting your kidney health. Green tea is not just a part of tradition. It is a part of a health revolution. So the next time you brew a cup, remember you are not just making tea, you are making a difference. And there you have it, the top 10 natural guardians for your renal resilience. Remember, the best remedy is the one that resonates with your body's harmony. Until next time, nurture your nature and keep the essence of wellness flowing. If you are finding value in our videos, hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps us continue to provide helpful content. Thanks for watching.